The following is an investor brand network audio production via our audio press release solutions. As a multifaceted financial news and publishing company, Investor Brand Network utilizes its network of more than 5,000 distribution partners as well as other corporate communication tools to introduce public and private companies to a wide audience of investors, consumers, journalists, and the general public. Investor Brand Network's platform connects the investment community with companies that have great potential and a strong dedication to building shareholder value. The following audio press release may feature a client partner of Investor Brand Network. Investor Brand Network may have been compensated for the production of this audio production. Please be sure to read our entire disclaimer for full disclosure. Network Newswire presents Hospitality Gets High Tech. The future of hotel investment is AI automation. The hospitality industry is undergoing a major transformation powered by artificial intelligence and robotics, with hotels using automation reporting 30 to 40% reductions in operational costs, improved guest experiences, and better revenue management. The AI in hospitality market size is expected to see exponential growth to $1.46 billion in 2029 at a compound annual growth rate of 57.8%. While the global hospitality robotics market is projected to grow from $24.38 billion this year to $107.24 billion in 2034. Leading this shift is Nightfood Holdings Inc, or NGTF, a pioneering hospitality entity that combines hotel ownership with AI-driven robotics-as-a-service. The company recently announced plans to acquire a 155-room Holiday Inn in Victorville, California. Its first model property integrating guest-facing robots such as food delivery concierges and laundry assistants, a proprietary system provided by NGTF subsidiary Skytech. Nightfood has also established a strategic partnership with Beer Robotics to scale automation across its portfolio, which includes an estimated $80 million in assets. Nightfood joins a growing number of leading companies including Tesla Incorporated, SoFi Technologies Incorporated, NVIDIA Corporation, and UiPath Incorporated that are leveraging groundbreaking AI and robotics to innovate in their respective industries. Nightfood Holdings is a pioneer hospitality entity that combines hotel ownership with AI-driven robotics-as-a-service. The company is strategically assembling an $80 million portfolio of institutional-grade hotels through targeted acquisitions. NGTF is executing a dual revenue strategy that pairs recurring robotics-as-a-service income with long-term real estate value creation. Nightfood Holdings is capitalizing on a first-mover advantage by integrating robotics and AI into hotel operations at a foundational level. With a seasoned team of executives who have developed more than 50 hotels and managed more than 130 hospitality assets, Nightfood Holdings brings deep industry expertise to every aspect of its growth strategy. AI and robotics revolutionizing hospitality. Business research reports that, quote, AI is transforming the hotel industry by optimizing revenue management, personalizing guest experiences, enhancing cybersecurity, and automating operations, end quote. The report notes that future AI in the hotel industry, which includes AI-driven sustainability, biometric check-ins, metaverse hotel previews, and more, will lead to compound annual growth rate of more than 50% in the space in the coming years. Market Research Futures projects that the hospitality robot market will experience a CAGR of more than 71% through 2034, with robotics and hospitality seeing rising levels of trust, acceptance, and understanding. Quote, guests are increasingly demanding personalized experiences when they travel, the report states. They want to be able to tailor their stay to their own needs and preferences. Hospitality robots can help to provide personalized guest experiences by offering a variety of services, such as personalized recommendations for restaurants, activities, and attractions, real-time information about hotel amenities and services, the ability to control their room temperature, lighting, and other settings. By providing personalized guest experiences, hospitality robots can help to increase guests' satisfaction and loyalty, End quote. These impressive trajectories reflect widespread adoption across hotels, resorts, restaurants, and cruise operations, seeking cross savings, enhanced service, and recovery from staffing shortages. Smart companies such as Nightfood Holdings are capitalizing on these trends, leveraging the expertise and resources to become leaders in the hospitality transformation. A bold real estate vision. Nightfood Holdings is strategically assembling an $80 million property portfolio through traded acquisitions, creating a scalable foundation for its next-generation hospitality platform. By acquiring high-visibility, branded properties in key growth markets, the company is focused on creating a strategic collection of real estate and leading the way in operational innovation. This focused expansion not only builds asset value but also allows for consistent delivery of elevated guest experiences and operating efficiency. Nightfood just announced that it is, quote, on track to finalize due diligence and enter agreements for the acquisition of 2 flagship hotel properties in Victorville and Rancho Mirage, California. Combined, these transactions represent approximately $80 million in institutional-grade real estate assets and serve as a cornerstone of the company's vertically integrated hospitality and automation strategy, end quote. The 155-room Victorville property is currently a Holiday Inn. Nightfood earlier signed a letter of intent to purchase the property for approximately $41 million, with plans to convert it into a Courtyard by Marriott. The hotel will serve as a flagship property in the company's portfolio, showcasing operational enhancements and property upgrades intended to boost revenue and brand recognition. Victorville's strategic location, along one of the busiest transportation corridors between Los Angeles and Las Vegas, positions the property for strong occupancy and long-term performance. Building on that momentum, Nightfood signed a second letter of intent to acquire a Hilton Garden Inn in Rancho Mirage, California, for roughly $37 million. The property sits adjacent to Disney's highly anticipated Cotino residential and resort development, a location expected to benefit from substantial traffic and tourism in the coming years. By investing in a branded, upscale asset in such a premium corridor, Nightfood is enhancing both the value and visibility of its growing portfolio. According to the company, both properties will be integrated into Nightfood's AI automation platform, serving as operational environments for robotic deployments, data collection, and revenue optimization. Together, these acquisitions demonstrate the company's focus on institutional quality assets with strong brand affiliations and location advantages. Each addition to the portfolio is carefully selected to support scalability, ensure stable cash flow, and serve as a platform for long-term growth. As Nightfood continues to expand its holdings, it is creating a strong and differentiated position in the hospitality real estate space, anchored by quality, operational excellence, and future-ready infrastructure. Recurring revenue meets scalable property value. Nightfood Holdings is executing a dual revenue strategy that pairs recurring robotics-as-a-service income with long-term real estate value creation. At the core of this approach is the deployment of AI-powered service robots that automate essential hospitality functions, such as food and amenity delivery, linen transport, and cleaning across the company's hotel properties. These robotic systems are offered on a subscription basis, creating a predictable and scalable revenue stream that is not tied to seasonal occupancy or nightly rates. Through its Skytech Automated Solutions division, Nightfood is developing and installing robots specifically engineered for the hospitality sector. These include concierge robots and interact directly with the guests, autonomous carts that transport laundry and supplies, and cleaning bots that operate efficiently in common areas. By reducing labor demands and increasing operational efficiency, robotics-as-a-service technology enables hotels to streamline staffing, cut costs, and improve the guest experience, all while generating monthly recurring revenue. This recurring revenue model is being embedded into properties the company is acquiring, including its planned flagship hotel in Victorville and Rancho Mirage in California. These hotels will serve as model sites where the robotics-as-a-service platform can be refined and demonstrated at scale. The ultimate goal is to license and deploy Nightfood's robotics system across a broader network of third-party hotel operators, enabling expansion of the robotics-as-a-service model beyond company-owned properties. By combining high-impact automation with direct ownership of real estate assets, Nightfood is creating a vertically integrated business model. The robotics-as-a-service component delivers consistent, technology-driven revenue, while hotel ownership provides asset appreciation and brand equity. This synergy positions the company to benefit from both short-term income and long-term value creation in a transforming hospitality landscape. Pioneering the future of tech-enabled hospitality. Nightfood Holdings is capitalizing on a first-mover advantage by integrating robotics and AI into hotel operations at a foundational level. Through its proprietary Robotics-as-a-Service platform, the company is deploying guest-facing and back-of-house service robots that perform tasks such as food and linen delivery, cleaning, and concierge support. These robotic systems are not add-ons, but core operational components designed to streamline workflows, reduce labor costs, and enhance the overall guest experience. By owning and operating its initial properties, Nightfood can rapidly prototype and refine its automation technologies in live environments before offering them to third-party operators. This vertically integrated strategy allows for the seamless fusion of real estate operations with tech deployment, creating a hospitality model that is both operationally efficient and easily scalable. Unlike traditional hotel management companies or pure-play robotics firms, Nightfood is positioned to generate recurring revenue from automation while also benefiting from asset value appreciation. With pilot programs underway and growing ecosystem of robotics, AI, and strategic partnerships, the company is laying the groundwork for broad market adoption, setting a new standard for how hotels operate in the AI era. Experienced leadership driving strategic growth. With a seasoned team of executives who have developed more than 50 hotels and managed more than 130 hospitality assets, Nightfood Holdings brings deep industry expertise to every aspect of its growth strategy. The leadership team combines decades of experience in hotel operations, finance, and real estate development, enabling the company to identify high-potential properties, negotiate favorable deal terms, and execute value-enhancing improvements with precision. This hands-on knowledge ensures that acquisitions are not only strategic, but also aligned with long-term growth and operational efficiency. The company's strong operational background also facilitates effective integration of new properties into the portfolio while maintaining high standards of service and performance. Nightfood's disciplined approach to capital allocation underpins its ability to scale without overextending. Each acquisition is selected based on rigorous financial modeling, brand potential, and operational upside. By targeting institutional-grade assets in markets with long-term demand drivers, Nightfood ensures both stability and room for innovation. This measured approach minimizes risk while maximizing value creation, allowing the company to balance growth ambitions with sustainable financial management. Paired with its focus on technology integration and recurring revenue through automation, the company's leadership is executing a clear, focused strategy that balances growth with financial prudence and positions it well for long-term success. This audio press release is an original broadcast provided by Investor Brand Network, a multifaceted financial news and publishing company that delivers a new generation of corporate communication solutions, including news aggregation and syndication, social communication, and brand awareness tools. Investor Brand Network may receive payments for the services and solutions provided to its client partners. You should assume that the owners, officers, and directors of Investor Brand Network or financial analysts mentioned in this audio production may hold a position in and may intend to trade the securities on their own accounts. This audio production is not an offer or recommendation to buy or sell any securities mentioned in this audio production. The information in this broadcast is presented solely for informative purposes and is not intended to be or should it be construed as investment advice. As in all investments, investment in the featured companies carries an investment risk. Listeners should review the companies thoroughly with a registered investment advisor or registered stockbroker. This audio production by Investor Brand Network is not purported to be a complete study of the featured company or other companies mentioned. Information used and statements of fact have been obtained from featured companies and other sources but not verified nor guaranteed by Investor Brand Network as to completeness or accuracy. Such information is subject to change without notice. Please see our full disclaimers and disclosures at investorbrandnetwork.com.